Welcome guys. Let's check out this factory, furniture factory in Jiangmen City, Guangdong province in China. So this is a combination of plywood, the pure foam, and the recycled foam. And then this option is just the pure foam, all pure foam and the plywood. Okay. So this is how the chairs, the office chairs are assembled. You can see them putting the material on the chair. And then when you come here, also these are some of the chairs. Yeah, this is made of pure foam and plywood. And also see this guy also. Yeah. So wondering how your products are shipped. These are some of the products we have to ship out. Yeah, they are carefully put into these boxes and then shipped out. Yeah.
Hi guys, so this is the production area. Over here we have the chipboard right here. This right here is what is used to produce. There's also MDF as well. I'm gonna take you to that part so you see. So check this out. This is the production going on right now, as you can see. There you have it. Check it out. Okay, so welcome to the showroom over here. We're gonna show you so many office spaces with beautiful furnitures over here. So let's take a look. Come on.